answer. My name is Alfredo V. Cantan. I am from the Scream 3C. I will dictate the 10 commandments of safety driving as a driver. So number 1, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. I will not pass without care on curbs nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. I will not be careless when crossing and intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlight on approaching car at night. And 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. I will be courteous and respectful of the right of every driver and pedestrian. So the 10 commandments of road safety from travelers. Number 1, thou shalt not cast off thy phone. 2, thou shalt not throw a trash out from the window. 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take any chances. Number 5, thou shalt not buckle up thy kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on thy bride. 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or without faulty lights. 8, thou shalt not adhere to the speed limits. 9, thou shalt not keep thy distance. 10, thou shalt not practice patience. So the 10 commandments of traffic form. 1, keep right. 2, observe road courtesy. 3, prohibited parking. 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. 5, the bus stop rule, lining up the bus stop zone. 6, rule to prevent untangled jams. 7, observe traffic management measures. 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver is first come first serve vehicle. 9, on pedestrian. 10, remember the international driving safety reminders.